Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
Hi there. Do you want to visit Paris?
Oh, I'd love to. How about we go together in this video?
Great idea. In this video, you will discover the beauty of sightseeing in Paris through a gentle and simple English story.
Don't worry if you're just starting out. I'll speak slowly and clearly.
So please take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy listening.
Before we begin, I have a small question for you.
Listen carefully and try to find the answer while you watch.
Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills.
So here is today's question. How does Ken feel when he arrives in Paris?
The answer appears somewhere in the conversation. When you find it, please write your answer in the comments section.
All right, are you ready?
Let's start the video. Ken, we finally made it to Paris.
Yes, I can hardly believe it. This is our first visit. I'm so thrilled.
Me too. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Look at these buildings. They're gorgeous.
I know. The color is really soft, like cream or beige.
Yes, and all the buildings seem to share the same color. It's very pleasant.
There's a kind of, how do you say it? Everything fits together, right? In Tokyo, buildings come in all different colors, but here, everything feels connected.
And look at the sky. You can see so much of it.
That's true. There aren't many tall buildings here. There may be 5 or 6 stories high, not more. It makes the city feel open.
Do you know what I think? This place looks like a movie set.
Yes, I was thinking exactly the same thing. Every street looks perfect.
I want to take photos everywhere.
Me too. Even this little street is lovely. Look at all the people walking.
Yes, people really walk a lot around here, and their clothes are so stylish.
But the style is very simple.
That's the interesting part. Simple but fashionable. A white shirt and jeans, yet it looks so good.
I've noticed something else.
What's that?
People aren't looking at their phones while they walk.
Oh, you're right. They're looking at the city, at the buildings, at the shops, at other people.
Maybe that's why they seem so relaxed. I'd like to try that too.
No phone, just walking.
Good idea. Let's enjoy the city with our eyes.
The air smells different here as well.
Yes, like fresh bread and coffee. I can hear people talking in French. It sounds so elegant.
I wish I could speak French. Even just a few words. Bonjour, merci.
That's a good start. For now, let's keep walking and looking.
Yes, there's so much to see. Ken, we finally made it to Paris.
Yes, I can hardly believe it. This is our first visit. I'm so thrilled.
Me too. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Look at these buildings. They're gorgeous.
I know. The color is really soft, like cream or beige.
Yes, and all the buildings seem to share the same color. It's very pleasant.
There's a kind of, how do you say it? Everything fits together, right? In Tokyo, buildings come in all different colors, but here, everything feels connected.
And look at the sky. You can see so much of it.
That's true. There aren't many tall buildings here. There may be 5 or 6 stories high, not more. It makes the city feel open.
Do you know what I think? This place looks like a movie set.
Yes, I was thinking exactly the same thing. Every street looks perfect.
I want to take photos everywhere.
Me too. Even this little street is lovely. Look at all the people walking.
Yes, people really walk a lot around here, and their clothes are so stylish.
But the style is very simple.
That's the interesting part. Simple but fashionable. A white shirt and jeans, yet it looks so good.
I've noticed something else.
What's that?
People aren't looking at their phones while they walk.
Oh, you're right. They're looking at the city, at the buildings, at the shops, at other people.
Maybe that's why they seem so relaxed. I'd like to try that too.
No phone, just walking.
Good idea. Let's enjoy the city with our eyes.
The air smells different here as well.
Yes, like fresh bread and coffee. I can hear people talking in French. It sounds so elegant.
I wish I could speak French. Even just a few words. Bonjour, merci.
That's a good start. For now, let's keep walking and looking.
Yes, there's so much to see. Erica, look, I can see it from here. the Eiffel Tower. Even from far away, it's easy to spot.
It's so tall. I didn't expect it to be this big.
Let's walk closer.
Okay, I'm getting excited.
We're getting closer now.
Wow. Oh my, it's huge.
I've seen so many pictures before, but this is different. The real thing is much more impressive.
I feel so small standing here.
Me too, like a tiny ant.
Can you take a photo of me?
Of course. Stand over there.
Is this a good spot?
Perfect. Smile. Great, I got it. Now let me take one of you.
Thank you. I'll stand here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Beautiful. You know, this tower is really the symbol of Paris.
When people think of Paris, they think of this.
Yes. Now I understand why it's unforgettable.
I heard something interesting.
What did you hear?
At night, the tower has lights. It sparkles.
Really? It sparkles?
Yes, like tiny stars, for a few minutes every hour.
That sounds magical. We should come back tonight.
Yes, let's do that. I wonder how many people visit this tower every year.
Probably millions. It's so famous. But seeing it in person is different from photos.
Much different. Photos can't show how big it is or how it makes you feel.
Yes. I feel amazed and small at the same time.
That's a special feeling.
Mina, there are so many people here. The line is very long. Look at all these tourists. Should we go inside the museum?
Maybe not today. The line is too long.
That's okay. Even just looking from outside is nice.
I agree. The glass pyramid is amazing. It's so modern, but the building behind it is so old.
Yes, the palace is from a long time ago. Old and new together. It's a strange mix, but it works.
It looks natural somehow. In other cities, this might look strange, but here, it fits perfectly.
The building itself is like art.
Exactly. You don't need to go inside. The outside is already a museum.
That's a good way to put it. I'm happy just standing here and looking.
Me too. Paris surprises me. Everything is more beautiful than I imagined.
Paris really knows how to mix old and new in a very natural way. Other cities should learn from this.
I agree. It takes skill to do this. Well, shall we take some photos here?
Yes, the light is perfect right now. The glass reflects the clouds. So pretty.
I got a good shot. Look at this.
Beautiful. I'll remember this moment. Is that the Arc de Triomphe?
Yes, it is. Let's get closer. It's much bigger than I thought. The photos don't show the real size. It's so tall and so wide.
Look at all the details on the stone. Beautiful carvings everywhere.
I read that you can go to the top.
Really? You can climb up?
Yes, there are stairs inside.
What can you see from there?
You can see the whole city, all of Paris.
That must be amazing. And from there you can see why Paris is special.
What do you mean?
There are no tall buildings, so you can see very far.
Oh, I understand. The view isn't blocked, right? The city just goes on and on. All those cream-colored buildings and tree-lined streets going in every direction.
The city planning is really impressive. Someone thought about this carefully. Everything looks organized, but also beautiful.
I want to see that view someday. Next time, let's go up.
Yes, that's a promise.
The cars are going around the circle. It looks a little scary to drive there.
Yes, there are so many cars, but it's fun to watch from here, like a big dance of cars.
A very fast and dangerous dance. I'm happy we're walking, not driving.
Me too. Walking is the best way to see Paris.
The river is so peaceful. Just walking here makes me feel calm. There's no rush, no hurry. Time feels different here, like time is moving slowly.
Look at those people on the bench. They're just sitting there, not doing anything. No phone, no book, just sitting. Watching the water, watching the boats go by, watching other people walk.
Is it boring?
No, I don't think so. It looks nice. People watching is actually fun. That woman has a cute dog. That man is eating bread. Very French.
Yes, so French. I think doing nothing is a kind of luxury. In Japan, we are always busy.
That's true. We feel guilty if we're not busy. But here, doing nothing is normal.
It's even respected. Just enjoying the moment. I want to learn this skill.
Me too. The skill of doing nothing. Let's practice. Let's sit on that bench.
Good idea. Just for a few minutes. No phone, just sitting. Just breathing and looking.
This is nice. I can hear the water and the birds singing.
This is so relaxing. I feel my stress going away.
What stress? We're on vacation.
You're right, but still, I feel extra calm now. This city helps me slow down.
Yes, it teaches you to enjoy the moment. I want to take this feeling home with me.
Me too. We should remember this.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Oh, look, a bakery.
Let's get croissants.
Good idea. 2 croissants, please.
This smells so good. Let me take a bite. Oh, wow, so crispy. Listen to that sound.
This is the best croissant I've ever had. Much better than the ones back home.
Look at that man. He's eating bread while walking. And that woman too. She has a baguette.
French people really love bread. They eat it everywhere, on the street, in the park.
Oh, I see a crepe shop. There are so many crepe shops here. Should we get one?
What kind do you want?
I want something sweet. Maybe chocolate and banana.
I want something savory. Maybe cheese and ham.
Savory crepes are called galettes. I think they use a different kind of flour.
Oh, I didn't know that. Interesting. And I'll get the sweet crepe.
This is delicious.
Mine too. The chocolate is so rich.
Look at that shop. So many colors. Is that a macaron shop?
Yes. Look at all those macarons in the window. They look like little pieces of art. Pink, green, yellow, purple. So colorful.
Shall we buy some?
Yes. Let's get a few different flavors. This raspberry one is so pretty.
The pistachio one is bright green. Food here is like art. Everything looks beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it.
But we must eat it.
Of course, it tastes as good as it looks.
I'm getting a little tired from walking.
Me too. Shall we sit down somewhere?
Oh, look at that restaurant. They have escargot on the menu.
Escargot? You mean snails?
Yes, it's famous French food. Let's go inside and try it.
Okay, I'm a little scared, but let's be brave.
Let's sit by the window.
Good idea. Excuse me, can we have escargot, please?
The food is here. It looks interesting. Let me try. Actually, it's not bad. The taste is very mild, very gentle.
Really? It doesn't taste like I expected. It's like mushrooms with butter and garlic.
You're right. The flavor is soft. I was worried for nothing.
Me too. I'm glad we tried it. French food is full of surprises. All good surprises.
I want to try more things tomorrow.
Yes, there's so much more to taste. But for now, I'm full and happy.
Me too. Shall we leave this restaurant and find a cafe?
Good idea. I want to sit outside and relax. Let's take a break at this cafe. I want to sit outside. The terrace seats look nice. All the chairs face the street. Everyone is looking at the street. That's interesting. Like a theater, but the stage is the street. That's exactly right. Bonjour. Bonjour. The waiter said bonjour. We should say it too. Bonjour. 2 coffees, please. French greetings are short and simple. Just bonjour. That's all you need. But it's important. Everyone says it. The coffee is here. Thank you. Merci. This is a small cup. Yes, French coffee is strong but very good. We can sit here for a long time, right? Yes, that's normal here. In Japan, we feel we should leave quickly, but here, no one is rushing us. The waiter isn't looking at us. We can stay as long as we want. This is so different from home. I love this about Paris. No one seems in a hurry, just enjoying their coffee, watching people walk by. This is the Paris way of life. I could do this every day. Me too. It's so peaceful. Paris has taught me something. What's that? It's okay to slow down. It's okay to do nothing special. These simple moments are special. Yes, I think you're right. The sun is going down now. Paris looks even more beautiful in this light. Golden hour, they call it. Everything is glowing. I don't want this day to end. Me neither, but we can come back someday. Yes, I hope so. Until then, let's remember this feeling, the feeling of a slow, peaceful day with good food and good coffee and good company. Yes, that's the most important part. Thank you for this trip, Ken. Thank you too, Mina. Shall we order one more coffee? Yes, there's no rush. No rush at all. How was that?
I hope you enjoyed this gentle and simple English story.
Now let me ask today's question once more. How does Ken feel when he arrives in Paris?
The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it?
If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. Many people share their answers every time, so feel free to join in and comment too.
Even a short sentence is perfectly fine.
On this channel, we share stories in slow, easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English.
By the way, there is also a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member is a way to support this channel and help me continue making content like this.
If you enjoy learning English here and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
All right, that's all for today.
I hope to see you in the next video.
See you next time. Bye.